Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learner.
Hi, friends. Today's topic is easy conversations at a cafe.
Yes, going to a cafe is something we all do, so it's a great place to practice English.
Exactly. We will practice ordering drinks, asking questions, and chatting politely. And we'll also give you some mini quizzes.
Great. Let's start with a simple conversation. Good morning. Can I have a cup of coffee, please?
Sure. One coffee. Would you like milk or sugar?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Okay. Anything else?
No, thank you. How much is it?
It's $3.
Here you are.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you very much. Let's stop here for a short quiz. What did I order? How much was it? What polite word did I use?
Did you get it? The answers are coffee, $3. The polite word was please.
Well done if you got them right.
Let's try again, but this time order more food.
Hello, can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here's the menu.
Thank you. Can I have a sandwich and a cup of tea?
Sure. Do you want your tea hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay. One sandwich and one hot tea. Do you want anything else?
Yes, maybe a piece of cake. Do you have chocolate cake?
Yes, we do.
Perfect. I'll take one.
Great. That will be $7.
Here's $10.
And here is your change.
Thank you. Let's add more variety. Sometimes we don't just say, "Can I have?" We can also say,
I would like a coffee. Could I get a sandwich? May I have a cup of tea?
yes, these are all polite and natural ways to order.
Yes.
When we are at a cafe, we can also have small talk.
Right. Let's show an example.
The coffee smells really good today.
Yes, it does. Do you come here often?
Yes, I usually come here after work.
Nice. Do you always order coffee?
Not always. Sometimes I order tea or juice.
Oh, I like juice too. My favorite is orange juice.
Ooh, really? I prefer apple juice.
We have different tastes, but that's okay.
Dear listeners, here's a practice task for you. Say out loud. Do you come here often? What's your favorite drink? I usually order.
Great. Repeat these sentences 3 times.
Let's also practice polite words we use in a cafe.
Yes. For example, excuse me. Can I have, please? Thank you. You're welcome. Or you could say, my pleasure.
Exactly. Politeness is very important.
Let's try another mini role play.
Sure. So now let's start. Excuse me, can I have a cup of tea, please?
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Here's your tea.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Here's a quick challenge. Change tea to another drink. For example, can I have orange juice, please? Can I have hot chocolate, please?
Yes. Now, say it with us, listeners.
Now let's imagine we go to a cafe with friends.
Okay. I'll be the friend this time.
Hi, Tom. What do you want to drink?
I think I'll have an iced coffee. What about you?
I'll get a latte. Do you want to share a cake?
Sure. Let's order one chocolate cake to share.
Good idea. Sharing is nice.
Yes, and it's cheaper too.
True. In English, we can ask friends politely, "What would you like? Do you want to share? Shall we order together?"
Yes, and this makes the conversation smoothly and friendly.
Sometimes we can also ask questions about the cafe.
Right. Like, do you have Wi-Fi?
Or, is there a bathroom here?
Or, can I pay by card?
These are all useful questions for daily life.
Listeners, repeat after us. Do you have Wi-Fi? Is there a bathroom here? Can I pay by card?
Anna, let's practice paying. Sounds interesting. Excuse me, can I pay the bill, please?
Yes, your total is $6.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you go.
Thank you. Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment successful. Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too. Sometimes people also say, "Can I get the check, please?" American English. And "Can I have the bill, please?" British English.
Yes, both are correct.
Let's do one longer role play. I'll be the customer and Tom will be the waiter. Excuse me, can I have a cappuccino, please?
Sure. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Okay. Cappuccino and croissant. Do you want butter with your croissant?
Yes, please.
Great. That will be $5.
Here's 6. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Today, we practiced many cafe conversations.
Yes, we learned how to order drinks, ask about the menu, pay the bill, and make small talk.
We also practiced polite expressions and longer role plays.
Yes, remember, when you go to a cafe, try to use English, even just a little.
And don't forget to say please and thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Remember to subscribe to improve English with us, share to your friends, like the video, and feel free to comment if you have any questions. See you next time with English Learner. Bye-bye.